Good morning, students. Welcome back to Grammar Learning. Today I'll explain you chapter number 5, the present tense. Students, tenses is the chapter which have been learning since standard first. Then also you are not very much clear and confident in writing the answers. Here I am giving you all the verb forms of present tense, when it is used and how it is used. All the things I will explain you in this lecture. So quietly and attentively attend this lecture. Present tense. Present tense, there, as we all know, there are three main tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense, then past tense and future tense. Okay, future is not considered as tense because it shows the time which will come, but for our reference we will use the term future tense. Now there are subtopics in each and every tenses. If we talk about present tense, then what are the subtopics of present tense? Simple present tense, then present continuous tense, then third one is present perfect tense, and the fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. You have studied 4 parts of each tense in 8th standard, in 7th standard also. Now you will learn all the 4 parts of all the 3 tenses. It means you will learn 12 tenses in 8th standard. Let's start the subtopics one by one. I will explain you. The first one is simple present tense. Now first of all, try to understand the usage of simple present tense. What is the use of simple present tense? To express custom or habit. Custom or habit means which is your daily routine, which is your habit, is always described in simple present tense, is always written in simple present tense. See here, I play badminton every evening. Here, playing of badminton is habit, it is routine, so it will be in simple present tense. Then he plays the guitar for his school orchestra. And does she take lessons in English? So this is the first use to express custom or habit. The second use of present tense is to express what is actually happening at the present moment. Means at the time of speaking, whatever action is going on, it will be in simple present tense. See how it rains, how sweetly Mary sings. That will be in simple present tense. Then to express general truths. General truths means which cannot be changed with the time. For example, man is mortal, the earth moves round the sun, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. All these things are geographical fact. Then India is a democratic country. Okay, then ये भी जो भी सारे फैक्ट्स जो हैं geographical, scientifical, mathematical, all the facts will be written in simple present tense. They are considered as general truths, we cannot change them. So customs or habit, general truths and the action at the present moment, all will be described in simple present tense. Now let's see the forms of verbs in simple present tense. See here, I uploaded this PDF previously, then also I am showing you. It is only for your reference, no need to write it again. What will be the verb form of simple present tense? In simple present tense, the verb will be changed according to subject. Here I have taken all the pronouns, all the nouns and the verb forms which are changing, and all the types of sentences also. The first one is I, we, you, they. With all these pronouns we will use the first verb, means main verb. No need to add anything or no need to change. You will write the verb as it is with I, we, you, they in affirmative sentences. Then when you want it to make it negative, you have to use do or does. Do or does you have to use to make it negative or interrogative. With I, we, you, they you will use do, and with he, she, it you will use does. Clear? Then in interrogative also, write do or does in the beginning of the sentence, then subject and then main verb. Keep in your mind that do and does, with do and does we will write the main form of the verb, and if we remove does, then add s or es after the verb. Clear? So these are the verb forms of simple present tense. Now present continuous tense, you have to remember is, am or are according to subject, then verb and then ing. Means is, am, are, to be plus verb plus ing. This is the form of present continuous tense. First of all, let me explain you present continuous tense, which is given in your textbook. Present continuous tense, what is the use? To show that the action is still continuing and is incomplete or continuous. Okay, for example, the girls are singing and dancing on the stage. It means the action is going on. It is incomplete at the time of speaking. The audience is clapping loudly. It is very easy present continuous tense. The only thing you will remember is, am, are plus verb plus ing. Clear? See the forms, verb forms for present continuous tense. I, am, he, she, it is, and you, we, they are plus ing, verb ing. Means they are working, he is working, and I am working. For making it negative, you will add not after be. Is, am, are के बाद you will add not. And for interrogative, you will write is, am, are means to be in the beginning of the sentence, and then write the subject and then verb ing. Clear? And then question mark. So in this way you will write present continuous tense. Now let me explain you present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. What is the use of present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is used to talk about completed action. The action which is completed is written in present perfect tense. For example, he has sung in many countries. So the action is completed. We cannot say it past tense because since its effect is seen. ओके जो चीज़ है, जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो तो कंटिन्यू रहेगा. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. द एक्शन इज़ completed but the experience is still there. So it is called present perfect tense. Then what is the second use? We use since or for to refer an action that began in past and is still going on at the time of speaking. See students, we are talking about present perfect tense. If since or for is given, the action will be began in past and still going on at the point of speaking. यानी कि I have been a member of this year for 10 years. It mentions time in general. It means I am still a member. मैं अभी भी member हूँ. Okay. तो then we have already just in present perfect tense to show completed action. यानी कि present perfect tense में जो action complete हो गई है, we will use already or just for that. Then we use never or ever with present perfect tense to time frame that begin in past and continues in the present. We use never or ever with the present perfect tense to a time frame that began in past and continues in the present. यानी कि नेवर और एवर यूज़ कर रहे हैं जो पास्ट में शुरू हुआ था प्रेजेंट में कंटिन्यू है. आई हैव नेवर गॉन टू एक्वेरियम, पहले भी नहीं गया, अभी तक नहीं गया. हैव यू एवर बीन टू अ डांस परफॉर्मेंस? ओके. ऑलरेडी, जस्ट, एवर, नेवर आर नॉट यूज्ड विद सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. याद रखना ये चीज़. ओके. नाउ लेट्स सी द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्म? इट इज़ वेरी ईजी. For present perfect tense, you will use has or have plus V3. See students, for perfect tense we always use V3. In perfect tense we always use V3. Clear? Only the thing will be changed, will have, has, had. Now have, with which subject we will put have? I, we, you, they, we will write have. With he, she, it, we will write has. Clear? And if negative is there, you will put not after has or have. Then in interrogative, you will put has or have in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, and then V3. Clear? In this way you will write the form of present perfect tense. Now next one is, the fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Now see, here perfect is also there, continuous is also there. Perfect means V3, continuous means ing. Now how to write V3 and ing together in a sentence? I am talking about the verb form of present perfect continuous tense. First of all, let's see the usage of present perfect continuous tense. This form is used to indicate that the action has been going on continuously over a period of time, starting in the past and continuing up to the present. Okay? It means the action has been going on continuously over a period of time. When it will be used? Here, when will we use present perfect tense? We will use the tense for the action has been going on continuously over a period of time, starting in the past. Means past में start होकर वो कुछ समय तक वो चलती रही है and continuing up to the present, और अभी भी चल रही है. For example, I have been writing letters since 10 o'clock today. यानी कि सुबह 10 बजे से आज मैं लेटर लिख रहा हूँ. यानी एक्शन कब स्टार्ट हुई थी? द एक्शन स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट एट 10 o'clock. राइट नाउ द टाइम इज़ 12 o'clock. ओके, ऑलरेडी 2 hours आर पास्ट एंड देन ऑल्सो आई एम राइटिंग द लेटर्स. ओके, अभी भी ये कंटिन्यू है. सो वेन एवर द एक्शन इज स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट हैज़ बीन गोइंग ऑन फॉर सम over a period of time and still continuing, it is called present perfect continuous tense. Now let's see the verb form of present perfect continuous tense. With I, we, you, they, you will write have. Then been. Been shows V3 and working shows continuous ing. Okay, this is the affirmative form. I, we, you, they have been working. He, she, it has been working. Clear? For negative, we will use not after has or have. I, we, you, they have not been working. He, she, it has not been working. Clear? Then, for interrogative, we will put have or has in the beginning of the sentence. Have I, we, you, they been working? Or has he, she, it been working? Clear? So these are the forms and usages I explained. Now let's start the exercises. See, you will not write exercise 1 anywhere. It is cancelled. Okay, cancel it. First exercise. Then second, rewrite the passage using the simple present tense of the words given in the bracket. Means whatever verbs are given, you will use the verb form of simple present tense in the blank. At the New Delhi railway station, the Kalam family Now here Kalam family, so we will use s or es with the verb, and it is attracts, s, ATTRACTS, the attention of a large number of curious onlookers and the media. Dr. Kalam, because he is third person singular, we will write remains untouched by the excitement of the masses. The day of ceremony, again it is considered as it, we will start as, starts off like any other day with the regular 5-kilometer walk at the Asiad village. He is given, that's why we will write as takes a shower and eats a light South Indian breakfast consisting of idli, sambar and buttermilk. Okay, again he is given, so we will write dresses. Dress का हो जाएगा dresses immaculately in a suit and steps out to acknowledge the greetings of the crowd. There, then here we have to use to be. We have to use to be. So we will write there are hordes of cameramen, groups of cameramen and TV crew who focus on him as he drives to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Drives. Clear? Here, which are the to be form? Is, am, are, and according to the subject we will write are. Okay, write 5 sentences about the things you like and 5 about the things you do not like. This has to be written in homework in textbook. You have to write it as homework in textbook. You have to write about the things you like and the things you don't like. Clear? I dislike, you have to use I dislike for do not like. Then exercise number 4, circle the correct word in the boxes to complete the sentences. It dash right now. It is raining right now. अभी rain हो रही है. Okay, it is raining. But the sky is turning dark and a cool breeze is blowing. All are carrying umbrellas as the rain is increasing every minute. Clear? I have underlined the words. You have to write these words in the blank. Exercise number 5. Exercise 5. Here you have to write the verb forms of present continuous tense. It means is, am, are plus verb plus ing. So it dash heavily now. Rain is given. What will be the answer? It is raining now. It is raining now. Second is normally people speak in English in Parliament, but the new MP, Member of Parliament, is speaking in Tamil. So MP, one person, is speak, then ing, is speaking. Third one, he dash a long time to finish his breakfast. Take. What will be the continuous tense of take? He is taking a long time to finish his breakfast. Fourth one is the principal dash the annual result and the student dash the prize winners. Announce. The principal is announcing. What is the spelling of announcing? ANNOUNCING. Announcing the annual result, and the students are cheering. Are cheering, ing. Cheer, ing. The prize winners. 5 number, the dog dash the cat. Chase. The dog is chasing the cat who is mewing loudly in fright. In fright means in fear. Then exercise number 6. Here you have to add already, just, yet along with the verbs. For example, you have to use present perfect tense here. First sentence is where is he? The answer is he has just come back from the market. This word shows present perfect tense. So we will use them at proper place. Second one, have you visited Bengaluru? No, I have not visited yet it. No, I have not visited yet it. Third one, do you know this town? Already. I have already lived in this town for more than 30 years. Means you have to use already after have or has. Just be after have or has. Yet है वो थोड़ा आगे पीछे हुआ है. ओके, वो वर्ब के बाद आएगा yet. Fourth one, we dash mailed already our Diwali greetings to our friends in India. We have already mailed our Diwali greetings to our friends in India. 5 number, how is Sanya? I have not met her since we left the college a year ago. Okay, so since you will write after the verb, and just and already you will write before verb, and yet again after verb. Now exercise 7, correct the following sentences. I waited for a bus since 3 o'clock but haven't caught one. Here, since is given. Waiting was started in past और अभी भी बस एक भी बस मिली नहीं है. It means started in past, continued for a period of time, and still it is going on. So it will be present perfect continuous tense. And what is the present perfect continuous tense? Exercise 7, first answer will be, if you want you can take screenshot and write down the answers I am dictating. I have been waiting. What is the wrong word? Waited is wrong word. I have been waiting for a bus since 3 o'clock but haven't caught one yet. Okay, right, last में yet लिख लेना, yet. Second one, I forgot the exact time of the meeting. Let me ask my secretary. Here, forgot is the wrong word. You have to write, I have forgotten the exact time of the meeting. Let me ask my secretary. Why it is given? Because भूल गए हो लेकिन उसकी इफ़ेक्ट अभी भी है. अभी पूछना है, मीटिंग अभी हुई नहीं है. ओके, अगर मीटिंग हो चुकी होती तो यू कैन राइट आई फॉरगॉट द एग्जैक्ट टाइम ऑफ द मीटिंग, बट स्टिल मीटिंग इज रिमेनिंग. Let me ask my secretary the exact time of the meeting. So that here we will write, I have forgotten the exact time of the meeting. Let me ask my secretary. Third one, Ramesh dash already seen this movie, so he knows the story. Ramesh has already seen this movie, so he knows the story. Okay, you have to correct the sentence. I repeat the answer. Ramesh has already seen this movie, so he knows the story. Clear? Fourth one is, we dash never won a prize in this competition. We have, because never is given, it means it is present perfect tense. So we will write have. We have never won a prize in this competition. 5 number, we didn't go to museum yet, we will go next week. ओके, अभी तक म्यूज़ियम नहीं गए हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीक जाएंगे. इट मीन्स पास्ट में नहीं गए हैं लेकिन जाने की इच्छा है. सो वी विल राइट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. वी हैवेंट गॉन टू द म्यूज़ियम येट, वी विल गो नेक्स्ट वीक. क्लियर? नाउ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 8, fill in the blanks with simple present or present continuous or present perfect forms of the verbs in the bracket. Means we have learned 3 tenses till exercise 8, and you have to use the appropriate verb of these 3 tenses in this fill up. 1 number, the rain dash and the sun dash now. The rain has stopped. पास्ट में शुरू हुई थी, अभी अभी ख़त्म हुई है. has stopped. And the sun is shining now. ओके, अब सूरज चमक रहा है. the sun is shining. Second one, we dash already. Already is there, we will write present perfect. We have already told them that we accept donations from business magnates, यानी business persons हैं उनसे accept करते हैं donations. 3 number, my sister is cooking the dinner and her son is playing. ओके, डिनर पका रही है सिस्टर और उनका बेटा खेल रहा है. 4 number, I will go out only. You have to use only which is given here. I will go out only when I have finished my work. जब मेरा वर्क फिनिश हो जाएगा then only I will go out. ओके, जब मैंने अपना वर्क कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा तब मैं बाहर जाऊंगी. 5 number, why is the child crying? क्यों बच्चा रो रहा है? It is continuous action, so we will write is. 6 number, you will not write, it is given wrong. Why it is wrong that I will explain afterwards, after explaining direct indirect speech. Okay, अभी आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा कि ये क्यों wrong दिया है. 7 number, he dash in this institution for 20 years. अभी भी काम कर रही है. He has been working. ओके, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, पास्ट में काम कर रही थी, पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एक निकल गया उसमें काम कर रही है और अभी भी काम कर रही है. ओके, सो ही हैज़ कर रहा है. ही हैज़ बीन वर्किंग इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर 20 years. 8 number, आई डैश द टेबल फॉर डिनर, कैन आई सर्व फूड नाउ. तो प्रोग्राम हो चुका है, डिनर के लिए टेबल ले कर दिया है, बट स्टिल डिनर इज़ रिमेनिंग, सो इट इज़ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. वो पास्ट टेंस नहीं है. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस और पास्ट टेंस में डिफरेंस पता चल गया है ना. व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस? ओके, सो आई हैव लेड द टेबल फॉर डिनर, कैन आई सर्व फूड नाउ. 9 number, वी डैश अ वेरी एन्जॉयबल हॉलीडे इन कश्मीर. वी हैव हैड. Had is the third form of has. We have to write the third form of verb and the third form of has is had. We have had a very enjoyable holiday in Kashmir. 10 number, why are you dash from me? Why are you hiding from me? Have you done something wrong? Okay, in this way complete the fill in the blanks in the textbook only. I will give you the exercises which have to be written in notebook. Okay, exercise 9, present perfect continuous tense. You have to fill the blanks with present perfect continuous tense. The first one is India's population dash every year. Use the word steadily and increase. So what is the answer? India's population has been steadily, you will use steadily here, steadily increasing every year. India's population has been steadily increasing every year. Okay, second one, he dash practice for the match since last week. अभी भी कर रहा है. He has been practicing. See, this practice is noun form, you have to write the verb form, it is as. Okay, so be careful in writing the spelling. He has been practicing for the match since last week. What is the spelling of practicing? Practising. 3 number, you dash this class for the last 1 hour, please stop it at once. You have been disturbing because it is given for. Okay, it means it is present perfect continuous tense. 4 number, the old man has been standing patiently in the sun for a bus to arrive. अभी भी कर रहे हैं वो, so we will write has been standing. The child has been crying for his mother but she has disappeared. Okay, child के साथ has and I के साथ have. 6 number, I have been watching the parliament debate on the no confidence vote with great interest. Clear? Now exercise 10 and 11 is not that much, these exercises are not that much of important, but still it is given, so we will write the answers. Use present perfect tense to write a sentence on the following situations. For example, you are watching a cricket match you have never seen before. So what you will write, this is the first time I have seen a cricket match. Okay, second one, you have lost your bank card, it has happened once before. Okay, I have lost my bank card again. This is the answer. No need to write exercise 10 and 11 anywhere. It is omitted, but I am giving you the answers to write in textbook only. 3 number, you have missed the school bus. This is fourth time in 1 month. So this is fourth time in 1 month that I have missed the school bus, or I have frequently missed the school bus in this month. Okay. Fourth one, you are staying in a hotel for the first time in your life. So you can write, it is for the first time that I have stayed in a hotel. You can write in this way also. And I have stayed in the hotel for the first time in my life is also correct. Okay. So in this way you will write exercise 11. See the pictures, words for situation, write them in all 4 forms of the present tense. For example, boy and writing letters. So we can write the name of boy. Raman writes a letter to his father. Raman has written a letter to his father. Raman is writing a letter to his father. Raman has been writing a letter to his father. All the 4 tenses, all the four verbs we have used for present tense using this group of words, boy and writing letters. Okay. Here also what you will do, I have written the first sentence. This sentence shows the pictures. Picture shows the sentences. The first one is Miss Sen gives a speech. You have to change this sentence into all the 4 forms. Second one is Sunil plays tennis. Third one is girls dance in the garden. And fourth one is Pinky wins the prize. Okay. This sentence has to be written in notebook. It means this is homework in notebook. Clear? Homework in notebook. So today only one exercise is there in notebook as homework, and that is exercise 11. And in exam you will be asked tenses in the form of do as directed. Okay, rewrite the tenses using as per the instruction. यानी कि instruction दी होगी, change into past tense, change into present tense, change into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so in this way you will write, but for that you have to understand all the verb forms of all the subtopics of different tenses. Okay, I hope you understood the chapter and will do the homework correctly. We will meet in next lecture with new chapter. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.